this time or skill is basic too. Our best employee Khalid, he gonna explain about how can using. Get started, bro.
Okay, as we see here, this is the block for charging from here. It's type C. Okay, and this is the button for on and off. Like this, we can turn on the Pascal. Then after that we have two things for timer and two things for the mass here. Okay, this now it's a gram. Okay, if I want to change it to O's, how can I do it? Press fastly 5 times on this button for off and on button. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5.
Okay.
Okay, then it's change. You have to be fast. Okay, also in the timer we have two system. It's like when you just press it, it will be timer on. Okay, then
Reset this.
yeah, to
Okay.
reset it, hold on the button. Okay,
That's very good.
and if you want to use another system, is they call it auto system, auto timer system. We press it 5 times quickly. 1 2 3 4 5. See?
Oh, that's very good.
So,
Yes.
how to make sure it's work? Put something here and press the button. See? 3 2 1. Then
Okay.
the timer and the mass will turn on together at the same time.
Okay, okay, okay. That's very good. So, are you guys understand? I hope you understand as well. Thank you very much.